Okay, here is your crash course on all the ways that you should be using CoinGecko for your benefit of being a cryptocurrency investor. It's an awesome website. You get a ton of information. It's free. So here is your first video on what you can do with CoinGecko. This is from a question that I'm asked all the time on learningcrypto.com. People want to know where we are storing our coins. And CoinGecko is an excellent resource for you to find this information. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over here to CoinGecko, and let's see. It's coingecko.com. I'll provide a link for it down below in the video description. Not sponsored, just a great, easy website, super popular. So let's take a look at BitTensor here. This is a new coin that Toby and I have been getting kind of excited about and speaking to CT Club members about. So it is a new coin, and as such, you want to know, okay, can I only ever store this on a centralized exchange, which often happens with new coins. They don't quite have the integrations for hardware wallet options yet, or a lot of other different wallet options, and you want to get it off of a centralized exchange. Fair enough. Here you can go and scroll down, and you can see the information here on the left-hand side. Amongst all of this information here, we have the wallets, and here we have the wallet option provided. We have sub wallets, and if there were more options, they would show up with this drop down menu, but again, it's new, and so we have sub wallet. Additionally, let's say you want to know how to buy BitTensor. You can go to the markets tab, and here is the list of all of the cryptocurrency exchanges that currently list TAO, as well as the price and the volume of the coin and the trading volume happening on those. So depending on the size of your trade, you're probably going to look for the exchange that has the highest 24-hour trading volume, and additionally the best price that you want to be paying for it. There's a lot more information to be found too on coingecko.com, and stay tuned for the next short video showing you all of that information. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.